welcome to Hoojies Garage. That thing, an old exhaust system from my old Audi A2 that I replaced at 480,000 kilometers or something. You've seen in some videos of mine that it's just been standing here, and I have no A2 anymore, so it's cleanup time. Now what makes me a bit curious is there is an OEM, or the original catalytic converter is there. Will I get some money for this or not, or is it just to throw it away into the parts bin at the scrapyard? Let's see. I will bring it there and see if I can get a few euros or crowns or dollars for it. Yeah, by the way, as you can see, I put on a straight pipe underneath the car when I swapped this thing. So on the car, as it runs today at some other owner, then it's just a straight pipe here. I couldn't really hear any difference at all. So, well, let's see. Is there... Maybe they won't pay me anything because it rattles. Let's see. What happened? I'm not allowed to film inside there at all. I managed to take one photo and I will show you. So I came with the exhaust system, and they asked, is it an OEM catalytic converter? What car is that from? Oh, it's an Audi A2. Okay, yeah, it looks original. So why do they not want to touch something that is aftermarket? Well, if it comes from China, if you want to buy a catalytic converter in China and you go to a supplier there, they might ask you, oh, is it a homologation catalytic converter you want, or a production catalytic converter that you want? So it's a bit of a comedy. Anyways, and by the way, they wanted to check my ID, so you have to bring a photo ID to get any payment in here. And I did get paid. The guy could clearly hear the weird noise inside the converter, and anyway they still have to separate the converter from the rest of the pipe, so he cut it and it's rattling, so he looked, well, it looked good in both ends, because initially when he heard the rattle he said that this is just crap, I won't pay you for this, but then he could see that kind of everything was intact in there, except that it was a bit loose. So I got, guess what? I got 65 euros for it. So, well, not too bad. 65 euros for something that I was just about to throw away. Not too bad. Yeah, the rest of the tubing was just about not really, well, it wasn't really worth a visit here, so to speak, because they pay 0.1 euro per kilo. So, I mean, just the energy to get here was, But with the catalytic converter, yes, it paid my trip here. And yeah, I didn't travel far. It's just on the other side of the city. And nearby, because I didn't even know that these guys exist. But there is a scrapyard for cars just across the street there. And they were the ones that hinted me that, no, we're not taking that old exhaust system from you. But go to the metal recycler down the street, and here they are. Ah well, so that's a bit of metal recycling, and that's all from Hoojies Garage today. Take care, bye bye.